Introducing the Trimless series by LightUp. The installation of the Trimless is easy. Drill a hole in the ceiling, fasten the frame in the ceiling with screws. Now use the paste putty to fill the frame into the ceiling. The ceiling is now ready for paint. Now, as you see, the frame is hidden and painted over to leave only the beauty of light visible. Fix the lamp module on the frame and get it connected. Another advantage of the lamp module is easily replaceable without any sort of damage to the ceiling. The square and round shapes Trimless series comes in 3 types: narrow, wide beam spots and wall washer, and also a wide range of classy colour: white, silver and black. The luminaires can be controlled by in-house manufactured constant current, triac dimming or Bluetooth drivers.